Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock and tap on it. Then click at the bottom left corner on Add Alarm and set up an hour. When you're done, pick days of the week in the repeat section by tapping on them. Now click on the switcher next to Vibrate to enable or disable vibrations and tap on Alarm Sound. Over here, pick one of the available ringtones by clicking on one of them, or click Add Ringtone to add your own music. When you're done, click OK. Click on Snooze and pick length of it from one of the available options. I will go from 10 minutes. When you're done, click OK. Lastly, tap on Label and label your alarm however you want. When you're done, click OK, and to save your alarm, tap Confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!